Alright, this is step 7 on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. And if you got this far, you should pat yourself on the back because that was a long way. And congratulations if you got this far. So, okay, now we're going to do step 7. In this step, you have to also follow a certain algorithm. And this algorithm is left 180 degrees, top counterclockwise, back clockwise, front counterclockwise, left 180 degrees, back counterclockwise, front clockwise, top counterclockwise, and left 180 degrees. So that's the algorithm of step 7, and this algorithm is called the Allen, as you can see. And okay, so now in my case, I have no finished side. I only have my yellow and the white, of course, but from the here, like, I don't have any finished side. I only have 2 orange and 2 green matched and 2 pink and like that. So if you have a finished side, place the finished side. So if the pink side was finished, you should place the pink side on the right, and do the algorithm. That's if you have a finished side. So the finished side goes on the right, and then you do the algorithm. Now I don't have any finished side, so I'm just going to hold the cube any direction I want, but of course the yellow is facing up and the white is facing down. Any direction, and I just do the algorithm. Okay, the algorithm is left 180 degrees, top counterclockwise, now back clockwise. You don't want to do back like this, because if you do back like this isn't it clockwise, this is counterclockwise, as you can see. A lot of people mix up, so you want to hold the cube and go to the back like this, and back clockwise. And then front clockwise, so you come back here, front counterclockwise, left 180 degrees, back counterclockwise, front clockwise, top counterclockwise, and left 180 degrees. Now, as you can see, I have a finished side. Of course, I have 2 corner green pieces, 2 corner pink, and 2 corner blue. They're the same. Step 7, you cannot move to step 7 unless all the corner pieces are the same. Okay, now I have 1 finished side. So I'm going to place this finished side on the right. And then I'm going to do the algorithm one more time, and it should finish. If it doesn't finish, I'll have to do it twice. If you do it more than 3 times the algorithm, then you did something wrong, and just rewind the video and check what you did wrong. Okay, the algorithm is left 180 degrees, top counterclockwise, back clockwise, front counterclockwise, left 180 degrees, back counterclockwise, front clockwise, top counterclockwise, and left 180 degrees. I still didn't solve the cube. Oh, and before I do the algorithm again, you should know that this algorithm moves these pieces. As you can see, these are the missing pieces. This algorithm moves the pieces in a clockwise direction. So this green in the end is going to become here, the blue is going to come here, and the pink over here. So when I do the algorithm, the cube will be solved. So it's left 180 degrees, top counterclockwise, back clockwise, front counterclockwise, left 180 degrees, back counterclockwise, front clockwise, top counterclockwise, and left 180 degrees. And that finishes step 7. It finishes the whole cube, as you can see. So we just finished my tutorial, and hope you understood it. That finishes the cube. So please leave a comment or subscribe and let me know how the video was. Thank you. Really, you should pat yourself on the back, because that was a tricky one. Thank you.